Hello, good evening students. This is Ajit Kumar from techniyojan. Welcome all. Today we'll see lecture 3rd for HTML programming that we have started the sessions. Okay, till now 2 videos have been uploaded. The first one was simple, you can say heading tag. We have used the heading tag and paragraph tag and all, and inserted some textual content into a web page, you can say. Now in the then after that video we have coded a image file into an HTML page, you can say. We have inserted an image file. Now today we'll see in this tutorial a short video. It will be, you can say, how to place an audio file into a web page, right? So let's start, students. Before starting, I will request you students that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon so that you get notification of the latest uploaded videos, and like this video if you like it definitely, and share it with your friends, student, that is the needy students, you can say. So we'll start. First of all, our duty is to save this file. I guess this is the 3rd lecture, so I will save it as 3.html, and as you know, we are using this editor, Sublime Text Editor. You can use the notepad as well, but in notepad you have to type all the code, right? So in colleges also it is, you can say, approved to use Sublime Text Editor. No use of not to use, you can say, it's up to your college also, you can say. I can't force you, but it's a good one, and it will prevent your eyes from straining as because it is a black screen, right? And you can say the main facility is by typing the H, you say, 1 minute, today it is okay, I will type HTML. By typing HT, you can get the full template like this. Okay, now I will write the title, as you know, that browser Windows title we are entering over here. You can say audio file dot html. Okay, audio file web page, you can say like this. Okay, and we'll check it that whether it is there or not. The title is appearing on the, see over here, see, right? It has been displayed over here. Now we'll place the audio file. For that, inside the body tag we have to use the audio format, audio tag, you can say, right? So in audio you have to mention the source, as we had used the src, that image and src mode, to, you can say, attribute to give the path of that audio file. Similarly over here also you will mention the path of the audio file, right? So let's take an mp3 file for this, and the type should be mentioned over here. Okay, so I will take an you can say audio slash mp3 file. Okay, let us take this mp3 file, and I will mention the, you can say, let us take the mp3 file from here, where it is. 1 minute, let I check. Okay, I got this, right? So let's take this one. I will take a rename, and you can mention a simple file name also, right? Not copied, I guess. Let's check by taking remaining sections. Okay, so okay, it's came now. Now you can mention it as mp3. Let's check, is it an mp3? We'll hover over here, we will put the cursor as it is. See, item type, it shows as what? It shows as mp3 type. Okay, so now you can say we will check, we will save it, but we have to specify the exact location, right? Where it is in the downloads. Okay, and you can specify the full format, or you can specify the relative path, as I told previously also, downloads, and you have to specify full that file. where it gone? Okay, yes, it is inside the downloads, right? So we'll take the path as from here. We'll select this as properties and see it's shown the full path. Okay, you can do like this as well. So we'll mention, we'll add like this. Okay, and now it's been done, students. Okay, now it's been done. See the no use of purchasing. Now we'll see, check the, okay, it's not came. Okay, why it not came? Because you have not mentioned the controls. Okay, so let mention controls. Now see, you got this. Let us see, let us hear, you can say. Okay, see the music been on, and you can make the sound less or more. Fine. So one more is there. What we'll do is, if you want the autoplay feature, the autoplay property, okay, due to this your file, you can say, it automatically plays out. So we'll refresh. Okay, it's still not played out, automatically not played. So we'll go over here and we'll take it on or open with from another browser, check it's autoplayed or not. See over here, it's autoplayed now, right? It's autoplayed now. That means that browser, the property was not supportable. Okay, it's done. Now another is there, you can say and for muted, you can, if you want to mute, you can take like that also. See, it came like muted. Okay, students, so you can say this was the tutorial for your audio file insertion into a basic HTML web page. Hope you have enjoyed. And students, so you can if browsers that support other files, as it not support, you will print a message that browser does not support like this, because you know that in some cases the OGG file or WAV file, it does not accessible actually in the previous versions. Your browser does not support the audio file. Okay, so bas this much it's there. So till then, I will say you that subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon so that you can make you can receive the latest videos, and like the video if you like it, and then subscribe the channel. And lastly, I will thank you all, and I will request you to share the video with all students. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.